Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our week 3 topic is integers multiplication and division involving negative numbers. For this we have following resources: new syllabus mathematics 7th edition D1 chapter number 2 exercise 2C that is given in page number 42 and 43 and some educational videos. Methodology. In methodology we have following things: audio, visual, examples, educational video, homework assignment. Our learning objectives for this lesson is multiply negative numbers by using rules of multiplications, divide negative numbers by using rules of multiplication, find square root, cube root of following numbers, find square and cube of following numbers, solve questions of addition and subtraction by using rules of addition, subtraction and multiplication. And in our previous lesson we learned about rules of addition and subtraction, in which we learned that if two numbers of same sign, then we add this number. If two numbers of different sign, then we subtract these numbers. And we learned about multiplication rules and how we apply multiplication rule to solve addition and subtraction questions. If number is given in a bracket, then bracket means multiplication. To solve this bracket, first we apply multiplication rule, then we add this term by using the rules of addition and subtraction. That's all we learned in our previous lesson. And in this lesson we first start from multiplication rules that we already learned in our previous lesson, that is step 1, plus multiply plus, which is equal to plus. Two numbers having positive sign, then in the answer we also have a positive sign after multiplication. If two numbers having negative sign, then we have positive sign in the answer after multiplication of two numbers. If two numbers having different sign, that is positive and negative, by multiplication this number we get minus in the answer. If two numbers having different sign, that is minus and plus, after multiplication we get minus in the answer. Example 1 for multiplication, we have following steps. The question is given minus 4 multiply minus 10. The question may be given in this form and also is given in the form of minus 4 bracket minus 10. In both the cases you have to solve this question by multiplication rule and multiply numbers. In a multiplication rule we know that minus multiply with minus it become plus, so we multiply first sign, that is minus 4 and minus 10. So minus multiply minus it become plus, so we have plus. Now we have term 4 and 10. Now 4 multiply with 10 we get 40, plus 40 is your answer. Example 2 we have a question of division. In division we have plus 15 divided by minus 3. It can be given in this form and it can be given a fraction form. The meaning of both this term, you have to divide these terms. If 15 is given with a positive sign, 3 is given with a negative sign. So first we use multiplication rule, that is minus multiply plus multiply with minus, we get minus in the answer, so we have minus. Now 15 divided by 3, as we know that when 15 divided by 3 we get 5. Minus is already due to multiplication rule, that we get by plus multiply by minus, that is minus, so we have minus 5 in our answer. Now we have a new concept of square root, in which you find the square root of 64. To find the square root of 64, it's already shown that square mean power 2. You make a factor of any number which having power 2 and become 64. For example, when 2 multiply with 2 it become 4, 3 multiply 3 it become 9, 4 multiply 4 it becomes 16, 5 multiply 5 it become 25, 6 multiply by 6 it become 36, 7 multiply by 7 it become 49, and 8 multiply by 8 it become 64. So it's mean that when 8 multiply with 8 it becomes 64. So square root of 64 is 8. If a same number multiply with the same number, if a number is multiplied with the same number, then we get the answer for which square root is required. It's mean that is the answer of a square root term. So 8 multiplied by 8 we get 64. It's mean 8 is the answer of square root 64. We write plus minus 8 because there is no mention that you have to find positive square root or negative square root. So we write plus and minus both with the answer, that is 8. If he say that find positive square root, then we write only plus 8. But if he say find negative square root, then we write minus 8. If minus is given inside the square root, minus sign is given inside the square root, that is write in a note square root of square root minus 4 is not possible, because minus in a square root answer is not possible. Now we have a concept of cube. Example 4 is find cube of minus 4. Minus 4 cube mean minus 4 multiplied with minus 4 multiplied with minus 4. So first we consider first two terms, that is minus 4 multiplied minus 4, and minus 4 multiplied minus 4 having minus sign. So minus multiplied minus we get plus, and 4 multiplied 4 we get 16. So plus 16 multiplied with minus 4. Now we again have plus sign and negative sign. So plus sign multiplied with negative sign we get negative sign, and 16 multiplied by 4 we get 64. So minus 64 is your answer. Example 5 is cube root of following step. There is a difference between cube and cube root. In cube you have to multiply a number 3 times. In a cube root you have to find cube of the following number. So how we find cube root of minus 216? As you see that there is a number 3 outside the square root. It's mean it's a cube root. So how we find cube root? In a square root we multiply a number with the same number. In a cube root we multiply a number 3 times of a same number. For example, we have 2, then 2 multiplied by 2 we get 8. 3 multiplied by 3 we get 27. 4 multiplied by 4 we get 64. 5 multiplied by 5 we get 125, and 6 multiplied by 6 we get 216. So cube root of 216 is 6 cube. So we write it minus 6 cube inside the cube root. So cube root cancel with cube and we get minus 6. Square root of minus term is not possible, but cube root of minus term is possible, and in the end we get minus 6. That is your answer. Example 6 is about multiplication and how we solve this multiplication by using DMAS rule. In a DMAS rule we have following steps: divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. DMAS mean divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Before apply this, first we solve brackets. In example 6 the question is minus 3 multiply bracket 15 minus 7 plus 2. So first we solve bracket. 15 minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Then we have minus 3 multiply bracket 15 minus 5. Again we solve this bracket. 15 minus 5 we get 10. Now minus 3 multiply 10. We apply multiplication rule. 3 have negative sign, 10 have positive sign. So negative multiply positive is negative, and 3 multiplied by 10 we get 30. So minus 30 is your answer. Example 7 is again about multiplication. We again apply DMAS rule. For this we first solve brackets, smaller bracket then bigger bracket. Cube root of 64 is 4. So we write there 4 cube minus 7 multiply bracket 16 minus smaller bracket 4 minus 5 smaller bracket close, then bigger bracket close. So first we solve smaller bracket. So 4 minus 5 we get minus 1. Then we have 4 cube minus 7 multiply bigger bracket 16 minus smaller bracket minus 1. So solve this smaller bracket. We have negative terms, then negative terms. As we know the multiplication rule, negative multiply with negative we get positive. So we have in a bigger bracket 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 becomes 17. So we have 4 cube minus 7 multiplied by 17. 4 cube mean 4 multiplied 4 multiplied 4 we get 64, and 64 minus 17 multiplied by 17. So we apply Dimash rule. Dimash rule is divide, then multiply, then addition, and in the last subtraction. So we didn't have any division. After that we have a multiplication. There is a multiplication in this term, so we multiply this term. 7 multiplied with 17 we get 119. So now we have 64 minus 119. After solving this we get minus 55. I hope you understand all these concepts that we describe about multiplications, division, square root, cube, and multiplication rule by using Dimash rule. By using all these concepts, you solve exercise 2C from question number 1 to question number 9, that is given in page number 42-43. For this you have to solve work example 3-4, practice now 3-4, that is also given in your book. If you have any problem, then you can see videos that is given in resources. Thank you so much and best of luck.